Hi, Miss Johnson's class. Hi, Mr. Rogers. Today we finished volume. Can you find volume?
Yes.
Can you even find the different parts that make up volume?
Yes.
You guys, volume is the amount of space inside of a shape, right?
Yes.
What kind of shape are we talking about?
3D shape.
So a 3D shape is the only type of shape that has volume, right?
Yes.
Has to have some ability to hold things, yes?
Yes.
The dimensions or the measurements of a 3D shape are any shape, yes?
Yes.
Okay. And then unit cube is the exact same thing as units to the power of
3.
Now, we use units to the power of 3 as our label for volume, right?
Yes.
Why do you think we have that 3 there? Ah, there's 3 dimensions in volume, right?
Yeah.
And there's 3 dimensions in a 3D shape, and 3D shapes are go with volume, so it all goes with that number 3, right?
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right, guys, gals, answer my questions, please. Number 1, how do you find perimeter? Go.
Add the sides together.
Good. Number 2, how would a person, or what is the formula a person would use to find the area of a square, rectangle, or parallelogram?
Base times height.
Sweet. Number 3, how would a person find the area of a triangle?
Base times height divided by 2.
How would a person find the volume of a 3D shape?
Length times width times height.
Sweet, sweet, sweet. So when I'm talking about length, I'm talking about this, right?
Yeah.
When I'm talking about height, I'm talking about this, right?
Yeah.
And then width would be how thick, fat, deep it is, right?
Yeah.
What's better? If I had to find the area of this shape, should I count all of the blocks or should I just trust my dimensions? Yeah, remember there's a couple of blocks that we actually can't even see here that you would have to know they're there if you were counting. So let's just use our formula, length times width times height to find volume, okay? Another example right there. What are these things called again? Sometimes sometimes you might be given the volume of a shape, and then you might have to figure out the missing dimension, right? What's the strategy we use to do that? Is there other ways of doing it? Yes. I encourage you to use guess and check because I don't think we really understand the other ways as well, or some of us. We'll get to that later this year. So guess and check works, right? Any questions?